Construction films, a global market overview. The report examines the market by resin type and product type. The report further examines the market by application and end-use sector. Geographical analysis spans over the Americas, Europe, Asia, Middle East, and Africa. The report profiles key market players such as 3M Company, Dow, Inc., DuPont Teijin Films, Interplast Group, Polyfilm GmbH, Saint Gobain SA, and more. Global market analysis of construction films. Product segment analysis of construction films market. Regional analysis of construction films market.